Hello guys, welcome to GBM Mobile Care. Today I'm going to show you how to do a keyboard replacement of HP 840 G5. First of all, what we're going to do is we'll turn back the back of the laptop, get all the screws, unscrew all of them just like I'm doing, and also remember to put something on the floor of whatever you are using to unscrew to avoid scratches on the laptop. So you have to take your time, gradually unscrew the laptop just like what I'm doing now. Now you gently and carefully pull back the back cover just like I'm doing it. You gently, sometimes it used to be strong, so you have to be carefully unscrew it. Okay, we've successfully unscrewed it and we've removed it. First of all, you locate